Designing a network isn't just about cables, routers, and cool gear. It's about building something that actually helps a business succeed. Because let's be real, a great network does more than just work. It drives business goals, solves real-world problems, and fuels growth. In this video, we are diving into how to design networks that make a real impact. Why business success matters in network design. Businesses today run on their networks, literally, from remote work to customer support and cloud services. Everything's connected. And when the network can't keep up, the business takes a hit. Delays, unhappy customer, lost revenue. Nobody wants that. So what does it mean to design for business success? It means building a network that supports real business goals, like boosting sales or improving customers' experience, lays the foundation for the growth and innovation, balances cost and performance to deliver value that actually shows up on the bottom line. It's not just about specs anymore, it's about strategic impact. Understanding business priorities. Every business is different. That's why the network design has to start with the understanding what really matters to the company. Some focus on revenue growth, launching new products or entering new markets, operational efficiency, cutting costs or streamlining the processes, customers' experience, delivering fast, reliable service every time. Think about it. A retail chain might need blazing fast Wi-Fi for shoppers, while a factory might care about low latency automation links. The design has to match the missions. Behind every project, it's a reason, a driver. It could be a market trend, new regulation, or rising competition. Understanding those drivers helps you design with intent. Examples: a move towards online shopping. That might trigger a need for better e-commerce support. New data laws. The network needs stronger compliance tools. Want to beat the competition? Speed and uptime suddenly become critical. Each driver leads to a business outcome: faster service, lower costs, better customer attention, and your network design plays a huge role in delivering that outcomes. It is a business enabler. IT used to be behind the scenes, not anymore. Today, it is front and center, driving innovation, enabling growth. IT wears two hats. Innovation engine, helping businesses adopt cloud, AI, automation. Like moving to the cloud, ERP and scaling globally. Essential utility, it has to work always. Like a logistic company that needs 24/7 uptime to track shipments. Good design supports both. Planning for business continuity. Stuff breaks, it happens. Outages, cyber attacks, hardware failures, they are part of life. That's why businesses continuity matters. Two big ideas here. RPO, recovery point objective. How much data can the business afford to lose? A bank might say 0. Every second counts. RTO, recovery time objective. How fast do we need to be back online? A hospital might need a 5-minute recovery window for patient system. Designing for continuity means backups, redundancy, and a tested disaster plan, so the business keeps moving no matter what. Elasticity, strategic trends. A modern network has to be flexible, ready to scale up or down as needed. This kind of elasticity supports big strategic shifts like remote network, digital transformation, sustainability. During the pandemic, companies with elastic network pivoted fast. Other, not so much. Let's talk budget, because even the best designs needs to make financial sense. Smart networks designers invest where it counts, like security and scalability. Reuse what works, like existing infrastructure. Design with the future in mind to avoid costly do-overs. The goal: show how today's spending creates tomorrow's savings and growth. No two companies are same, so no two networks should be either. Design choices must reflect the unique needs of each business. Examples: a hospital prioritizes secure, lightning-fast connection. A bank needs bulletproof compliance and failover system. A startup wants speed, agility, and low cost. The better you understand the business, the better your network will serve it. Project management in network design. Great networks don't just happen, they are managed. Choosing the right project management style matters. Waterfall, step by step, great for clear, fixed goals, like a government rollout. Agile, iterative and flexible, perfect for evolving startups. Scrums deliver in short, focused bursts. And Kanban, visual tracking for ongoing improvements. Pick what fits the project size, speed, and complexity. Strategic planning and decision making. Design isn't just about now, it's about where the business is going. Use tools like decision trees, map choices, and their outcome. Score options based on key factors like cost, support, and performance. These tools turn gut feelings into smart choices. Balancing strategy and execution. Big vision is great, but execution, make it real. Here is how to bridge the gap. Set clear, measurable goals. Break the project into steps: audit, design, test, implement. Keep long-term business goals in focus at every stage. Because great design isn't just a theory, it's a result. Designing for the business success means going beyond tech. It's about connecting your network to what actually drives the business forward. Remember, align your design with real business needs. Plan for continuity, growth, and change. Use smart tools and strategies to make it happen. When you design with the business in mind, you are not just building a network, you are building a success that lasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more insight like this, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.